Welcome, everyone. Welcome to a beautiful Monday. All right. Wow, look at that. We continued to push up on gold. Awesome. That's wild. So I think this was sort of like an impulse entry scenario where price continued to push up. That was actually very sick. I'm just looking at this now. Yeah, I guess price is like, continuing to move bullish at this point, which is pretty good, to be honest. Let's take a look at this idea over here. So today we also got the USD holiday. I'm not sure what sort of a volume is that going to bring in, or if there's going to be volume at that time or not. But we got USD holiday today, so I'm not sure whether there's going to be volume in New York session or not. But I would like, highly likely there's going to be very little volume. Let's take a look at this week over here. Tuesday, CAD, CPI, that's fine. We got pound, fine. Wednesday, pound CPI. May get like a pretty good move there, but pound CPI, we'll see. Thursday, we got retail sales data for the US, and that's about it. Friday, pretty clean so far. We got CPI for pound and, retail sales data for the USD. So should be a pretty clean, easy week. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is just consolidating here now on the 15 minutes, consolidating on a 30-minute time frame. We've had some candles form, but nothing really happened. So far right now, we got like a support form on pound yen, 194.900. At the same time, you have sort of like a resistance forming. So ideally, we'll have to wait for this candle to close. How do you see when there's a bank holiday, especially for the USD and JPY? Go look at Forex Factory. Why don't you select the week view on Forex Factory? I don't know. Okay, so far, gold pushed up. Pre-London, we had a move up on gold. That's fine. The 30 minutes coming down, the 15-minute candles coming down. That's totally cool. That's fine. I'm not going to try to take a sell at this point. I'm going to wait for price to create some sort of a support. If we can create support, I think then price can continue to push up. That's all what I'm looking at. I'm not interested in sells. I'm not interested in sells as this 30-minute candle breaks below the low over here. The reason why is because we have a very, very heavy uptrend. And whenever you have a heavy uptrend, it's better to wait for price to create support on the 30-minute or the 15-minute. We'll see. And then look for potential buys. But if we break below that support, then there's a probability we can continue to push down. So, I'm just waiting at this point to see what sort of a market structure we really form. So, yeah, we'll have to wait to see how that actually comes up. Oh, what's this? Raja, we can't see you. Your camera is off. Oh, nice. No shit, Sherlock. I got eyes myself as well. I can see the camera is off. Okay, let me just... I think the battery died. That's fine. It says advisable to trade when there's a bank holiday for both the USD and yen. Well, yen bank holiday doesn't really make a difference because yen is closed at this time anyway. For the USD, we'll have to see in NY session. We'll have to see. Welcome to Dominion Markets. Welcome. Is this gold or what? No, this is not gold. This is, we're trading coffee today. Coffee beans. Okay, let's see here. Hmm. 50% when it breaks the support? No, we'll have to see. Oh, let me fix this shit over here. All right. Perfect. Perfect. Coffee bought Maggie. Do a joke stream on 1 minute chart of coffee or something. Okay, let's have another banger like Friday Raja close 50%. Okay, yeah. Let's see. Let's see what sort of price action we create over here. Sir, finally met you at Expo as per your suggestion, registered with Dominion Markets. Welcome, Mohammed. Welcome. I'm 100% sure that since you're in Dominion Markets now, there's a very, very, very small chance you're going to go somewhere else. Is doing $250 on 50K daily considered too much? I don't know. I see you be in the morning lately. Yep. So, yeah, I guess I'm going to wait for some sort of a support to form for a continuation bullish on this. Yeah, so we'll have to see. It's going to be very important. Let's see here. What else are we looking at here today? First thing in the morning, look at emails. You know, sometimes when you look at emails, sometimes you get good news, sometimes you get bad news. But we are... So today we have all good news. Awesome. Okay, pound yen is stuck. Pound yen, yeah, pound yen is stuck. We also got a pretty big spread on pound yen here as well because there's no volume at this time. So we're just basically, just chilling. Sir, separate from below the support, can we look for a buy? Sure. Sure, I mean, yeah. We'll have to wait. Great week, Raja Banks. Thank you. Thank you. Muhammad Shajil Bilal. Thank you very much. Love from Assam. Thank you. Is he in a trade? No. Which funded account size is best? I don't know. What's your plan? Should we wait for 50th level to take buys? I don't know. Is Dominion market legal in Pakistan? Bro, there are a lot of things that are illegal in Pakistan, but people still do it. So, I don't know. It just depends what sort of legal or illegal thing you want to do. Like, at what level. There are a lot of things in Pakistan that are illegal. Gija took me out, okay? Up 3% for this month. Beautiful. Yeah, wow, look at that. Pound yen is breaking above this high over here, 195.075. For price to probably continue to push up. Let's stick with this. Let's look at this on the 4-hour time frame. Looking at this from a 4-hour time frame perspective, if we do break the high, there's a wick over here to fill, and then you got a full range, 27 pip range. Looking at the 1 hour, yeah, it looks good, So far, pound yen hasn't really had any volume at all. So I think if the volume is going to come in, it's going to be the London Open. If there's no volume in London Open, then probably pre-NY. But it's also NY holiday. I see many professionals trade GR40. Do you ever nope, I never take a look at GR40. It's not about professionals trading something. It's about how comfortable are you trading a certain pair. Mendika sent the chart. Pound yen continuing to push up. I agree with this. I agree with this. All right, let me log into TradingView. Okay, so Sign in. What account do I have on TradingView? Is it Facebook? What is it? Gmail. All right, take a look at this now. The 30-minute candle is going to close very soon. 30-minute candle will close in about 11 minutes. And yeah, it's going to be interesting. So there are no sells over here at all on pound yen. Absolutely no, sorry, gold, no sells, just waiting over here. Pound yen pushing up after taking me. All right, let's take a look at this chart. This is, ooh, gold buys, beautiful. Are they talking about consolidate on swing trade type level? Yeah, probably swing trade type level, probably. Swing trade like on the high time frames, but the small time frames keep on running. I do think there's a lot of risk in the markets as we come closer to the elections because, you know, we really don't know what the outcome is going to be. So we shall see. Yeah, we shall see. Do you trade another currency? No. Is binary trading gambling? I don't know. Why don't you mark the 2 candles? I don't know. Counter sells on gold would be a dangerous game. That's correct. You know, so waiting for potential support for price to continue bullish. That is what I'm waiting for here today. For the potential support to form so we can continue pushing bullish. Since you have traded 2 US elections, no, I haven't traded US elections. I've only seen 1 US elections. Has the Bangkok seminar sold out? Nope. We still got maybe 25 tickets left for the Bangkok seminar. 25 tickets. Let me get the link here for you. Yeah, we got like maybe 25 tickets left over here. Bangkok. Where is this link over here? This is boom, boom, boom. Oh, right here. All right, here you go. About to paste this in the YouTube chat. Beautiful. All right, buddy. Okay, buddy. Okay. Will gold be affected by who is elected? Yes, absolutely. Please have a look on my entry, okay? Bangalore is good for an event in India. Fire. Oh, okay. Mindset after taking a loss. Mindset after taking a loss. Come back the next day. Just close your charts. Please paste link in Zoom. Okay. Oh, the okay. Let me paste this in announcements. All right, in announcements, here we go. There we go. It's going to be a lot of waiting over here now. Where are you located? That's irrelevant. Have you traded ICT concepts? No. Is your rule 1 loss, stop trading? Yep, come back the next day. 1 win, wait an hour for a high to pass, potentially take another later same day. Nope, just take 1 trade. 1 trade a day in the beginning. And once you get comfortable, once you get more experience, you know, you gain a little bit more intuition, then you can sort of like, you know, bend your rules a little bit. But in the beginning, as you're a new trader, just focus on 1 or 2 trades a day. That's it. And give it time, seriously. I'm watching you more than my relatives from past 7 months. Oh, nice. Thank you. Platinum futures of PL1. No, we don't have that. Why are you not taking sell over here? Because I'm not taking sell, you know, like 1 candle closing bearish doesn't mean it's a sell. Even though 1 candle closing bearish, price can continue to push down. That's a one-off event, you know, it's not like it's going to happen all the time. We need raw spread, account only commission, low deposit like $50 because I'm scalping trader. Listen, if you tell me that you are a trader and you scalp, and you want to deposit $50, you're not a trader. You're just wasting your time. You know, like depositing $50, like no, you're just wasting your time. Might as well just withdraw that $50 and go buy your mom some flowers, or like, you know, take it out to a dinner or something like that. It's not going to work. You know, if you really want trading to work, minimum you should be depositing is 500 minimum. That's like me being generous, but like average deposit should be like $2,500 to $5,000. You know, other than that, you're just basically wasting your time. Open Dominion for Indonesia, it's already open. 15-minute impulse for what? Was impulse buy on 2660 valid? Yep, absolutely. Continue to push up. Absolutely, it was valid. You were anticipating volume, you know, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. Yeah, you know, pre-London volume. So, what is Robin's Cup? No idea. Oh, wow, what's this? Join MFU, 8 trades, 8 wins. Oh, beautiful. Ryland Haziri. Very, very well done. What do you think about one unlimited leverage? I don't know. I'm new trader. What should I do? Just go look for some other hobby. This is not easy, you know. Minimum deposit is 5K if you're serious. Yes, absolutely correct. Yeah, Mr. DR Kadeval, maybe there's going to be volume in New York session, maybe not. We'll have to see. I have a loss of $1,600. I'm planning to deposit $3,000. Is this amount enough for recovering my loss? No. You should never look at your loss to say that, okay, I have to recover this loss. If once you've lost, it's done, man. It's done. Never chase that loss. Never chase that money. You're going to end up making more losses. There's a very, very small probability that you will be able to recover that loss with the mindset of, okay, I have to recover my loss. You should always look at it in a way to say that, okay, you know what? Whatever I've lost. Now I'm redepositing again. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on to see whether I can actually have a winning trade. You know, if you can get a winning trade, then that's all what matters at the end of the day. So, yeah. See over here. Yeah, so we'll have to wait and see over here for a break and retest. Break and retest scenario. What's this? No higher high. We are making higher lows, but we didn't make a higher high. Can we still trade? Yeah. Yeah, that was good. Candle closed bigger body than the previous one. And then we continue to push up. Awesome. The biggest game changer for me was MFU and adopting to 2 main things, 30-minute and trade goal. Nice. I'm good, bro. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing very, very good. In a 100K account, you think it's better to trade with same risk or same lot size? That's totally up to you. Your trades were same lot size and worked perfect. Yeah, I trade with same lot size. You know, so that's totally up to you. That's totally up to your mindset, totally up to your risk planning, you know, whatever. What do you think about Alex G turning 100 to a million? I don't know. There's a lot of the smokes and mirrors, you know. There's a lot of smokes and mirrors. Like for new people, it's amazing, but for me as a professional, there's some things that we don't know. Some things that we don't know. I joined MFU yesterday and watched 45 hours. Now I understand why losing trades all these. Bless you, right? Thank you, Abu. Thank you. Appreciate it. One thing I do know is that there's no way a broker is giving you that much amount of leverage on a 6-figure account. There's no way. There's no way at all, you know. So I'm just talking from a technical perspective. There's no way. A broker does that. You know, even if the trades are STP'd, there's no way an LP is giving a 1 to 500 leverage on everything. Max leverage they give is 1 to 100. You know, if you got 1 to 100 leverage, you you're not opening like 500 lot trades. You know, it's just I think it's a marketing stunt for the whatever. But that's just my view. That's how I see it. That's just my view. You know, I've been in the industry for a long time, been operating brokerages. You know, like have contacts with LPs. Like anyway, why there's so many watching and so minimum likes? It is what it is. We're not here for likes. We're here for education. I know you've been trading for years. That's why I asked you. Oh, nice. Thank you. How many students do you have? I have a lot of students. I have 400. I have over like 900,000 students, direct and indirect. Why there's so many? Okay, got funded 100K prop firm, made 4% in 1 month. Beautiful. I'm looking forward to become a full-time trader. Can I? I don't know. Can you? Thanks a lot. Learn from you. I can with ease catch 10 to 15 pips. How can I better catching 25 to 50 pips? With time, it's going to come in. Don't worry. Are you based in Canada or Dubai? Dubai. Which things are important for trading, learning? 1 to 2 trades a day. Update on Dominion funding? That's irrelevant. Are you going to JITEX? No. Can you suggest some simulator? MT5 Simulator. All right, new 30-minute candle has formed. We're just pushing down over here now. No problem, no problem. We have a support formed as well on the 1 hour time frame, the 30-minute time frame, solid support over here. So just waiting at this point. Yes, you are 19 years old. You're at the right time. I like your way of trading. Also, my way of trading is just waiting, just waiting and waiting and waiting and then executing. How to join Market Fluidity University? Well, if you can find it, you can find it. If you can't find it, then, we can't do anything. Then you just got to go to marketfluidity.com. Which things are important for learning trading? Risk management. I've got own 200K account with 500 to 1 leverage with no fees. Awesome. Good. Very good. Look at that. Look at this thing over here. 4 hour time frame, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute. 30-minute candles are going to close in about 30 minutes, man. Yeah, let's drop down to the 15-minute over here. If the 15-minute can create support, I think that's going to be a good idea for price to continue to push up. We got like a 56 pip range, so it's good. You used to ask for likes. Why? It's my choice. How easy is it for you to buy a Lambo right now? I can literally go to any dealership, transfer them crypto, and get a Lamborghini this evening. But I don't need it, so there's no point. I can't invest with Dominion with the installs from Raja. I'd rather buy my mom flowers. Awesome. I'm from Malaysia. Awesome. Is Forex halal? Sure. Is IC Markets trusted? Sure. The running is going great. Man, you guys asked some really irrelevant questions. If we have the right setup and there's no volume on pre-London, we shall come back to a chart at pre-New York? No. You should only come back to the charts based on your trading plan. If your trading plan says you should only trade pre-London, trade pre-London. If it says trade whatever, New York, you trade New York. That's it. If gold creates support, yeah, I'm gonna look for a buy, 100%. I'm gonna look for a buy if we create support. How come sometimes you trade NY? Because I traded NY for the first 4 years of my trading career, so I'm very, very comfortable with NY session. Plus also I got maybe like 9 years under my belt, very, very profitable 9 years. So with my experience, I can afford to trade NY session. But if you're a new trader, I think you should just stick to one session in the beginning for about 5-6 months, and really, like the thing is, you should aim to be a master of one session. You should aim to be a true professional at just one session. Because if you're looking at gold will have a different personality in London session. It's going to have a different personality in a New York session. Can I pay via crypto instead of bank card? No. Yeah, I'm just waiting to see how the 15-minute candle closes. That's it. We got like, 11 minutes, so 11 minutes to just chill. 15% discount on MFU using code QAS15. Oh, nice. What's your risk management concept? It's in my YouTube. ICT is more sense than other strategy. Okay, go to ICT stream then. I have to renew my MFU. Can I pay with crypto? No. So yeah, just waiting, literally. Waiting and waiting. Is multibank trusted? I don't know, but multibank has some wild, wild spreads. Also, when you ask for withdrawals with multibank, they give you the runarounds, so I mean, it's like that. It's like this and like that and this and Are you planning to confirm support taken? Can you please explain what would you like the candles to print? I don't know, man. I'm just waiting. Just waiting for the candle to close. That's it. Just literally waiting for the candle to close. This 15-minute candle to close. I'm just gonna wait to see if a candle can close bullish, and that's about it. ICT will dust you. Okay. Raja is risking 1%, losing most of the times. Okay. Yeah. 1%. That's fine. Hope to pass my first phase this week. Inshallah. Yes, you will. See, trader chart cannot be dragged to the left. How do you do it? Keep candles more like in the middle. This thing here at the bottom, you can just move it. Have you heard of Ghana? Yeah. For the knowledge I've learned in past 6 to 8 months from you, I would have never stood a chance on the leaderboard champ and managed to get a third. Oh, nice. Yes, Mr. Ignace. You got the third place on the leaderboard. I think later on today, you guys will get your accounts. Just wiped out my account. Oh, wow. Beautiful. We have the right setup there, but the only thing is lack of volume and trade triggers volume session for me personally. Just happens a lot. Find setup in the end session, but it may execute pre. And how can I just stick to one session? Just stick to one session. Seriously. If it doesn't happen during the time, then it doesn't happen during the time. It's not like every day you're gonna get a trade. Just like sales. When you work in sales, it's not every day you're gonna get a sale. Some days you're gonna get great sales, and some days you're just gonna be whatever. So I'm just gonna wait for the 15-minute candle to close. That's it. That's it. I'm not thinking about next candle. I'm literally just waiting for the candle to close. That's it. There's no other questions that are going through my mind, Is the idea buy 15 base support? Yeah, just waiting for the 15-minute to close. How much do you charge for joining your daily live trading session? 10,000 a month. I'm at $250 from $1,300. What will you do if you were me? I'd withdraw $250. If you were to enter for the last big bullish candle and impulse, where would you enter? I wouldn't, because I wasn't looking at the chart. Is there a specific reason why you decided to master gold and GJ? Yeah, I liked the volume in gold. I switched to gold a little bit when I switched to gold a little bit after, like, when Trump came in, when there was a lot of, like, these trade war tweets going on between Trump and China. So I saw a lot of volume in gold. So I'm like, okay, well, that's an interesting opportunity to make a little bit of money, and then just stuck to gold. Can you flip $10 with thousands? Not interested. Could you sell based on 15-minute doji? Already answered that. Have you heard Manipur? Not interested. If you were to enter, what happened to Don Wu? Not interested. Would you recommend prop firm? Not interested. Wow, look at that. Look at that 30-minute candle going straight up over there. Straight up. The candle will close in about 6 minutes. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, let's see this push on the 5-minute. Ooh, wow, look at that 5-minute push over here. Broke above the high to continue to push up. I wanted a situation like this on the 15-minute, to be honest. Yeah, I wanted a situation like that on the 15-minute. Just entered long. My confirmation is 5-minute. Oh, okay. Yeah, this will be a pretty big stop over here, man. This will be a pretty big stop. Very big stop. Please upload updated simulation session on YouTube. No. Simulation sessions are only for Market Fluidity University students, like our members. That's it. Not for everyone else. So there's not enough range left after 15 minutes. We wait. Yeah, I mean, maybe the next 15-minute candle can continue to push price up. You know, the next 15-minute candle can continue to push price up. I wanna kind of like, you know, enter some sort of a dynamic risk. 30. Yeah, we're gonna wait over here. We got like maybe 4 minutes left, 5 minutes left for the candle to close. Like, I mean, if it retraces, I want to enter some sort of a dynamic risk for price to continue to push up. You know, because the next 1 hour candle can basically just break this high and continue to push up further. So, yeah, we'll see over here. Maybe 10 here would make sense, right? Enter some sort of a dynamic risk, keeping stop loss, something right over here, something very, very small, you know, something very, very small, and really anticipate it to continue to push up. Something very, very small. Closing my month, first time in profit since 2 years. Very, very nicely done. Very nicely done. Let's take a look on the 4 hour, looking at the 1 hour, looking at the 30-minute, looking at the 15-minute. 15-minute candle is going to close. This is basically dynamic risk, you know, so I'm not expecting this candle to push up. I'm expecting the next 15-minute candle to push up. You know, so yeah, I'm only risking like 2,400. I wanna put in, let's see over here. Total risk I want to put in is like maybe 6,000, 7,000. So maybe like, you know, 1 or 2 more positions. Yeah, 1 or 2 more positions. Because right now, 2,400 divided by 660. Yeah, this is like 0.3% risk at this point. This is 0.3% risk. I want to add 2 more positions. I'm in buy from 26.43 with stop loss aiming for 26.71, but the profit secure. Oh, nice. Very, very nicely done. Bro says something small, but my margin call is 1 lot. I mean, it's perspective, you know? It's basically perspective. Why stop loss not current candle low? The reason why the stop loss is not below this candle low is because if I think price should continue to push up, the next candle should not retrace more than 50% of this candle, you know, or this candle even should not retrace more than 50%. If it retraces more than 50%, then there's a very high probability that price will continue to push down, you know. So I'd rather lose 2,400 with the probability that we can continue to push down rather than losing, you know, 3,750. So I'd rather lose 2,400 over here. I saw a website from another trader offering Magic Key and get the digital version for free. Oh, okay, yeah. You can buy Magic Keys and get digital version for free. From Kenya, can't miss your live shows. Well, welcome. Oh, wow. Should have entered 100 lot over here. But, you know, money is money. A winning trade is a winning trade. Whether it's a 0.01 lot, it's a 1. Whether it's a 10-cent lot, whether it's a 1 lot, 10 lot, 100 lot, A winning trade is a winning trade. When I trade on paper, oh, I know where is this question going. When I paper trade or when I trade on demo, I make money, but when I trade live, I lose money. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe just focus on 1 or 2 trades today. That's it. Have you watched Sector 36? Yes. Sector 36. Amazing show. Amazing show. This guy who kills kids, right? Kidnaps them and basically just them. In the future, the impact of gold economy will decrease due to a lack of gold. How can I assume that traders have volume in the market? What do you think? Listen, Vikram, you are not at the intellect to know that the economy will decrease due to lack of gold in the market. And neither am I, neither am I. There's no lack of gold in the world. Like, no, no. Gold will always continue to push up long term. Have you even seen the history? Have you even seen gold history? Look at this. From fucking 2002, gold has been just rallying bullish. Look at this rally over here. We've been rallying bullish. There's a retracement coming up on the high time frame, but there's no scarcity of gold in the world. Like what world are you living in? So the new 15-minute candle has formed, and this 15-minute candle should make a lower wick and then continue to push up. This 15-minute candle. If this 15-minute candle retraces more than 50% of the previous candle's body, let's say if it retraces beyond 2661, then I'm going to be making sure that I manage risk on this trade. Yeah, 5-minute, when I look at it now in hindsight, yeah, it makes sense. All right, so add this retracing, which is good. Probably add another position right here, and this stop loss goes right over here. That's it. Can you break down my entry? Yeah, my entry was basically anticipating price to continue to push up. So as this candle is retracing, we don't want this candle to retrace more than 50%. Oh, wow, look at that. How am I going to manage this over here? This is 1900. This is 2400. 2400 plus 1900. $4,300 risk over here. I think what we can do, 4,300 plus 4,300 plus, let's do something like, it has retraced more than 50%. I want to give it a little bit more room. Maybe if it comes down to this open price, I'm gonna close everything. If it comes down to this open price. So open price is like what? 5 pips away, 4 pips away? 4 pips away, the open price. And place all right over here. Place everything right here. Yeah, right over here at the open price. So this is, maybe I'm being too optimistic at this point that the candle is just making a lower wick to continue to push up. But if we break below this open price, then there's no way it's going to continue to push up. And the week is going to start with a loss, which is good. Wow, look at that. 30-minute candle over there too. 30-minute candle retraced all the way. This 15-minute, yeah, it's bad. It's okay. As long as this candle starts to move up a little bit, so we can create this lower wick. And once this lower wick is formed, then we shouldn't break this again. Oh wow, look at that. 3,600. Yeah, I think I'm risking about like 5K over here, which is fine. Still less than 1%. the idea is not to risk more than you're planning to lose. Try to push that candle up with cursor like this. Boom. Maybe if we can change the TP for this one up over here, it can work out. Definitely not. Market's gonna say, oh, your TP is over there? Perfect. Your stop loss is near, buddy. Let's take that stop loss out first. You know? So, yeah, I mean, it's what it is. What are the A book brokers for gold? There's no such thing as A book brokers for gold. Mendika's thoughts are that price should continue to push up. That's what Mendika is thinking at this point. You know, so now this candle has made this lower wick. So if it really truly wants to continue to push up, this candle should not break its own low. If it breaks its own low, then this trade is, then we're not going to continue to push up, you know, and then at that point, I'm going to exit everything if it breaks its own low. Because, you know, slowly we're coming into the 50% time of this 15-minute candle, you know, so from this time, it should continue to move bullish, break its own high, and then continue to push up with the next hour to 2665. You know, that's basically what we are anticipating at this point. You know, so yeah. Raja rushing into London Open manipulation zones. I honestly don't know what they are, so I don't even know if I'm really rushing into them or not. All right. So far, up 48K over here for this month. And we want this to increase. We want this to increase to at least 60, 70, you know, at least 60, 70. So, yeah, you know, so now this candle should not break its own low. It should not break its own low. If it breaks its own low, it's definitely not a trade that's going to continue to push up if it breaks its own low. So use dynamic risk instead of static risk in this position. I use the dynamic risk to spread out my risk. You know, I'm risking about 1%. What's this? So this is 2,600 plus 17, 2,600 plus 1,700 plus, what is this? 1,000, you know, 5,300, less than 1%. It's okay. What is your broker? Is your broker available in Japan? Sure. It is available in Japan. Wow, pound yen is basically, you know, stuck over here. Stuckaroony pound yen, stuckaroony. You know, so we can see the pips over here. We're increasing in pips, you know, so far so good. We just need to break above this high for price to continue to push up, you know, and I think that could be a very good outcome. India kab aoge, bhaijan? Bhaiya, arey bhaiya, India kab aayenge aap? So far planning on December, first week of December so far. Where are you from? That's irrelevant. And any session open and closing 40 minutes to 90 minutes is usually manipulation. Oh, okay. Awesome. Which is your favorite book which you read and change your life? Books don't change your life. Books don't change your life. There was something very interesting I was listening to this morning. Having a sense of urgency in anything you do, it changes your life. Having a sense of urgency in anything that you do can change your life. You know, like only 2% population has a sense of urgency. You know, so you need a sense of urgency in anything that you do. Okay. So the way I'm going to manage this now is if this candle takes my last position in drawdown, I'm going to close everything. then there's no point. There's literally no point at that point. And we're about to, yeah, right there. That's it. I closed everything. So what was the risk for today? $3,400. That's fine. That's no problem at all. $3,400. There's no we. Anticipated this to just create a lower wick and to continue to push up, but I guess it had other plans. So I don't know. Maybe we'll start to consolidate. Who knows? Or maybe I may look for buys above this area here. Like, I mean, if the 15-minute candle closes bearish and you have a 30-minute candle closing like this, then I may only look for buys later on above 26.67 for price to move up. And if you do move above 26.67, wow, we got this one wick over here, which is 44 pips away. Not bad. Yeah. So, just manage risk over. It's been 3 months in MFU and started with 3,000, still at 29.90, haven't blown anything. So happy. That's good. That's good. Your account has, moved a little bit. So, that's still good. That's not bad. You should be happy. Can you please look at chart of DJI? Okay, let's take a look at this over here. So indices, DJI USD. Let's take a look over here. DJI USD. We have a support formed. We have a resistance formed right here. So it looks like we're just basically consolidating at this point. 1 hour time frame. We're trying to move up over here. I'm new. I made 200 pounds this morning on an impulse buy. Oh, nice, Mr. Wahab. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Wow, look at that. 30-minute candle. Yeah, I guess we'll have to wait for price to kind of close above this area on the 30-minute time frame. And the next one to then continue to push up. Got like 4 minutes left for the candle to close. Look at this. It's a good thing we exited the trade. It's better to exit a losing trade, or it's better to exit a trade where you're not so confident, and then that's it. You lack patience, buddy. No, I don't lack patience, buddy. I made over $100,000 last month. I'm up 48,000 for this month. So don't tell me I lack patience. My patience is perfectly fine. My patience is so fine. I can to be successful at something, you need to be able to give it a year at least a year. I pass funded account with good risk management. Can I consider myself profitable? Sure. Why every time I watch your live session, you always lose? No, I think the only session you're watching is when it's a losing trade. Last week we won on CPI, we won a few trades on the live as well. So I guess you're only watching when I'm losing. If price closes below 26.57 on gold, 26.57 on gold, I don't know. It's a very difficult scenario here because obviously we're creating a support at this point, and obviously we would want price. I mean, if we do break below 26.58, I would want price to continue to push down, but we got this support over here as well on the 30-minute time frame. So I don't know. At the same time we got the US bank holiday. So I don't know. What are you training today? I trained biceps and back, and I did some cardio today. Yeah, we're just ranging at this point. We're just ranging. If price decides to range, what can you do? Nothing. You can't do anything if price decides to range. What's your target RR? I don't have an RR. Yeah, so took one trade today, lost a trade. It is what it is. Is it possible to come out of a 9% drawdown? Sure, it is possible to come out of a 9% drawdown. It's very possible. Anyone from Belgium? It's 10 o'clock here. Oh, nice. I'm down 39% drawdown on $1,000 account. Ooh. Have you been studying your losses? Like, when you take a loss, have you been studying that or not? Oh, DJI USD is US30 is starting to push up over here. Interesting. Yeah, on gold there's nothing happening now. Maybe we're gonna get some good move tomorrow. But also don't forget 5th November is elections, so who knows where price will go up till elections. Who knows? Who knows? Not me. Not me, buddy. I'm a bit confused. Oh, wow. Okay. I think this confusion is going to come with some not knowing certain things, but I'll read this question now more. If you own a broker and people withdraw, are you one paying people out that withdraw? No. You need to learn how this stuff works. Like, it's not a prop firm, it's the brokers. Orders are STP'd. Orders go to liquidity. If you make money, the liquidity grows, and when you withdraw money, we request withdrawals from liquidity and then they are sent to you. Like, no. Flex your biceps. Ugh. I did a lot of flexing today. You ever trade US 30 or NAS 30? Nope. Is it possible to make 20% a week consistency? Nope. I don't think you should be looking to make 20% consistently. You should be looking to win a trade consistently. Okay, so now look at this, right? We're just consolidating now. Looking at the 1 hour, 1 hour is consolidating now. Look at this, 1 hour candles are printing. 1 hour candles are printing next to each other. Looking at the 30 minute, we're just like whatever at this point over here now. I mean, if a huge if this candle 30 minute breaks this low, maybe looking at an impulse with this bearish trend, like the simulation we did on Sunday, based off the simulation. But anyway, till then, I'm done for today. If that impulse does happen with the trend to move down, then awesome. If not, then whatever. Because if you look at the bodies of the candles are getting smaller over here. But if we do break below, I think with impulse and the volume with London session, I think that could be an opportunity. But that's a little bit advanced concept for someone who's new at this time. But anyway, we're going to see you guys on Wednesday. Till then, take care and be safe. Down 3,400. How much is this anyway? 3,400 divided by 660,000. 0.5%. Not bad at all. 0.5%. Anyway, adios. Nice to see you guys today on Monday.